Hello everyone, this is the tutorial for the collaborative vocabulary. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to create a new slide on the chapter you were assigned. Then on the title, you're going to be writing the vocabulary word that you were assigned. Next, all in italics, you're going to write the entire passage where you found the word. Now, something that you have to take into account is that sometimes the word may be slightly altered in the novel, as it happened with my example, which was luxurious. In the book, it is not used exactly as luxurious. It is luxuries, but it's basically the same thing. So you have to keep that in mind always. It may be exactly the same word, or it may be a slight variation. And as I finish my sentence, you're going to see that I've written the page where I found the passage. That is also very important. So if we have any questions, if we want to know exactly where we can find the word, then it's easier for the rest of us to find. Up next, I wrote definition in bold. And I looked for the definition of luxurious on an online dictionary, and this is the best answer that I found. I thought that it was the easiest one for all of us. Next up, I am going to be writing my example. The idea is you come up with the sentence on your own so that we can see that you actually understood the word. And don't forget that your sentences must be full, complete, and obviously they should make sense. Because if they don't, then we won't understand it, we'll be confused, and that's not what we want. And then, last but not least, I am going to be writing my full name and also my grade. Supposing I was a student, because remember that this is going to be for all of 6th grade, so it's important to know who did what. And that's it. Okay, bye!